You're using SambaPOS 4 and you don't know how to create users for your staff in general. Why? Samba 4 has the easiest way in creating users. Come on, let me show you how to do it. Once you get to your point of sales dashboard, that's the SambaPOS 4 dashboard, you click on manage, then you click on user, you click on user lists. By the time you click on user lists, you click on add user straight up. Then now the name of the staff you want to add. So in this case, I'm going to say John. Then the pin code, whatever pin code you want to use. So let's say I'm going to use 222 into 4 places. You can use from 4 to 20 characters. It has to be numbers only, 4 to 20 numbers. So once you do that, you click on role, user role. So there must have been roles that have already been created to be used by the user. So you can just check through and see which role you want to give to Joy. So in this case, I'm going to give Joy a cashier, and I click on cashier and I click on save. And that is how you create users in SambaPOS. Very straight and easy steps. And if you find this helpful, like, follow, subscribe, and see you in the next video.